In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your Asana account for 2025. As the new year approaches, it's a great opportunity to tidy up your Asana workspace and set yourself up for success. Starting off, the first step is to head over to the Asana website, which you'll find at www.asana.com. Once there, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. Now, if you haven't set up an account yet, look for the options that say Get Started or Try for free to create one. With your dashboard in view, it's time to dive into reviewing your current projects and tasks. Go through each of them systematically and audit your workload. This means checking off tasks that you've completed and making sure that ongoing tasks are updated accordingly. This kind of review helps ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, particularly as the year's end can be quite a busy period. Next, consider archiving projects that you've completed. This step isn't just about clearing up space, it's about creating a focused environment that highlights your upcoming priorities. A clutter-free workspace makes it much easier to hone in on what really matters moving forward. With that done, turn your attention to updating the status of tasks. Clearly marking tasks as in progress or completed can help keep everyone on the same page, and don't forget to make sure deadlines are accurate and up to date. As you look to the year ahead, it's the perfect moment to set new goals for 2025. Based on these goals, begin creating new projects in Asana that align with what you want to achieve. Whether they're personal goals, work-related tasks, or team initiatives, mapping them out now gives you a clear roadmap to follow into the new year. To optimize your workflow, consider using sections and columns, particularly if you're using the boards view. This method helps you efficiently track tasks by priority or by their current stage in the workflow. Next, make sure tasks are not only assigned to the right people, but that the deadlines attached to them are realistic. This helps avoid any last-minute stress or rushes to meet goals. Furthermore, take advantage of custom fields. They're incredibly useful for tracking specific metrics like priority, status, or budget, adding an extra layer of organization and clarity to your projects. Finally, emphasize effective team collaboration and communication. Use the comment feature on tasks to keep everyone updated with progress, feedback, or any potential blockers. If there have been changes in your team lineup, review and update the list of team members. It's crucial to ensure everyone has the appropriate access to the projects they need. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to having a streamlined, efficient Asana account that sets you up for a productive 2025. Thank you for watching, and here's to a successful new year.